Hi, this is Bill Poulos, and I want to welcome you to the visual Forex trading revolution. Today's the day you've been waiting for. If you're watching this video, then you've probably already seen all my other training videos that revealed my big breakthrough with a pretty unusual technique that uses green and red triangles to predict the direction of the 8 most profitable Forex markets with up to 79.6% accuracy. And it does it in a highly visual manner, so it's easier than ever to both spot and manage all the great trades it can help you find. If you remember back in video 1, it all started when I was at breakfast one morning. I had an idea that I scribbled down on a napkin. When I got back to my office, I immediately went to my conference room and fleshed out my idea in more detail on the whiteboard. Then, months later, and after having spent over $116,000 of my own money, I developed a very powerful and nimble software tool that I ended up naming the Forex ProfitCaster because of its uncanny ability to forecast profit potential in the best Forex markets again and again. And because you see everything on the charts in a very clear and simple manner, that's why I think this is a visual Forex revolution, and one that I think you're going to be happy to be part of. The private inner circle of friends and family that got early access to this software were pretty excited by what it could do, and so was I, especially given the current state of the global economy. With the purchasing power of the U.S. dollar plummeting, combined with the government's announcement that they're going to essentially print money until they run out of ink, the profit potential of the Forex market should become better and better. Why? Because in general, turmoil in the global economies causes the Forex markets to move. And when the markets move, they offer up a lot of profit potential that you can take advantage of. But what's the big secret behind the Forex ProfitCaster method? Well, if I had to choose just one aspect of it, it'd be that the Forex ProfitCaster is the best technique I've ever seen for filtering out false breakouts in the markets. If you remember back in video 1, I showed you how classic technical analysis triangles are essentially flawed because many traders who attempt to use them get fooled into taking trades that end up going against them. But as you saw with the Forex ProfitCaster, you can easily avoid these situations so that the odds are heavily in your favor before you place a trade. This is a chart of the Australian-US dollar pair that I showed you in video 1. And over this entire chart, you can see that there was just one occurrence of a so-called classic triangle. And this illustrates another major problem. What about all these great market moves circled in red? Classic triangles would have missed all of this awesome profit potential. But when you apply my Forex ProfitCaster triangles to the same chart, you get to enjoy all of this. Just a ton of profit potential. The Forex ProfitCaster is nimble enough to grab most of the major moves on this chart. Now remember, it's not foolproof, and you will get some losing trades, as you can see here. But over time, it has the potential to help you spot way more winners while also avoiding dangerous and tricky market conditions. It's just an awesome way to trade these great Forex markets, and I think you're going to love it. When I applied the Forex ProfitCaster approach to the 8 most profitable Forex markets over a recent 6-month period on daily charts, it helped to spot 6,399 total pips over 54 trades, of which about 80% were winners. And when I applied it to nearly 2 years of daily Euro-US dollar charts, it picked up 7,635 pips with 71.4% winners. Now remember, it won't always be this good. You could do worse, and you could do much better. Either way, over time, I'm confident that you'll have a solid edge using the Forex ProfitCaster approach because it's designed to protect you at all times. If a trade goes against you, then you get out quickly, take a small loss, and move on to the next trade. On the other hand, when a trade moves in your favor, you scale out in 2 steps, which lets you squeeze as much profit potential out of a move as possible. And that's why the #1 goal of the Forex ProfitCaster is to give you the potential to make more money, more safely, and more quickly. I can't wait for you to get your hands on it and try it out for yourself. Let's take a look at what you're going to get today when you decide to join me. All right, well, you already know all about the software, and that's what you're probably most excited about, so you know you're going to get that. And don't forget, you can access the software on both Windows and Mac computers and also other digital devices like tablets and smartphones. But you're also going to get 4 video training modules along with full-color reference manuals that teach you everything you need to know about how to use the Forex ProfitCaster. In Module 1, Behind the Scenes, you're going to learn about the Forex ProfitCaster trading method, and you'll see why it's so powerful. Module 2 covers Forex Basics. Now, if you're already an experienced Forex trader, you can probably skip this module, but reinforcement is always a good thing, so I encourage everybody to watch this at least once. In Module 3, you'll learn how to place trades. I walk through the entire process step by step so there's no confusion and so that you'll have confidence placing trades yourself. And in Module 4, the X Factor, I cover my time-tested risk management rules, discipline and psychology, and all the other factors that can help you become a successful trader. And just to make everything as simple as possible for you, I'm also including 3 trading blueprints that'll help you find the best Forex brokers, enter a trade safely, and also keep track of all your trades. You want to keep these by your trading computer so you can follow along with the software. Plus, you'll also get a quick start guide that'll show you the most effective way to get up in trading as quickly as possible. Now, I'm almost done, but there's still a few more important resources you're going to get access to, including lifetime access to the Forex ProfitCaster members website. This is where bonus training materials will appear, as well as any updates to the course materials. Plus, when you enroll today and become my student, I'm going to give you a full year of unlimited premium email and live chat support. This isn't some throwaway outsourced support either. I have a full-time support team of professional traders working with me in my office in Michigan that are here to answer your questions and help you succeed. If you have a question with a particular trade, send us a screenshot of it and we'll take a look. Every question is important to us, no matter how simple or complicated you think it is. Okay, so let's take a look at the value of what you're going to get so far, but make sure you stay with me until the end of this presentation, because I have both a surprise and a special deal for you that I think you're really going to like. First, access to the Forex ProfitCaster software is valued at $497 per month per time frame, or $4,997 upfront for 12 months access. If you've seen some of my other trading software in the past, then you know that most of it gives you one time frame per program. So you're getting data for both the hourly and the daily time frames that you've seen so far in these training videos. Compared to some of the high-priced $10,000 software I evaluated, these values are a relative bargain. Next, the home study course is worth at least $1,997. And if you've seen other courses I've released in the past, then you know that many of them sell for a real price of $1,997. Finally, the 1 year of unlimited premium email and live chat that we just discussed is worth at least $997. That's a total of $12,988 in real value so far. But I have an additional surprise for you that's going to help you reach your trading goals faster than you ever thought possible. For a very limited time, I'm also going to give you 8 live group coaching sessions to make sure we remove any doubt or questions you have about how to succeed and become successful with the Forex ProfitCaster. Here's how it'll work. A few weeks after you receive your Forex ProfitCaster package, we'll start the group coaching sessions. This gives you a chance to become familiar with the materials first. You'll meet once a week on a live webinar with all the other Forex ProfitCaster students and me or my senior trading coaches. We'll share our computer screen so you can see exactly what we're seeing, and we'll dive into the software, take a look at trades, whatever you want. This is my main trading computer that I'll be using for the group sessions. It'll feel just like you're sitting in front of it. I've used this group coaching format in the past, and it's always a big hit with my students. So I'm happy to do it again for the special release of the Forex ProfitCaster. Now, if I were to sell these 8 group coaching sessions separately, they'd easily go for at least $1,997. But you pay nothing extra because I'm including them with this release only of the Forex ProfitCaster. If I ever release this program again in the future, there's no guarantee that I'll include these group coaching sessions again. So make sure you take advantage of this special offer today. Okay, I have one more bonus to share with you, and I think this is a biggie. As you know, at the top of the Forex ProfitCaster software, there's this little toggle switch that lets you choose between 60-minute bars and daily bars, the 2 time frames you're getting with the software. 60-minute bars are great if you have some time during the day to trade, and daily bars are great if you're kind of busy during the day and just have a few minutes at night. But what about in between those time frames? You might not know it, but there's another really great time frame that holds a lot of profit potential, and that's the 4-hour time frame. So as a special bonus for this release of the Forex ProfitCaster only, you're also going to get 4-hour bars. Now, I'm really excited to be able to do this for you, and I hope it gives you even more flexibility trading these great markets. Now, just like the other time frames, this one has a value of $4,997, but you're getting it for free as part of this special limited bonus. So instead of 2 time frames, you're getting a total of 3, 60-minute bars, 4-hour bars, and daily bars. Okay, let's review everything you're going to get when you join me today. Okay, there's the hourly and daily time frames at $4,997 each. The home study course with a value of $1,997 and 1 year of unlimited email and live chat support for $997. Also, you get the bonus 8-group coaching sessions with a value of $1,997 and the bonus 4-hour time frame with a value of $4,997. That's a total value of $19,982. That's a real value. I could split these pieces up and sell them individually at the prices listed here. But today, you get all of this for just 3 easy payments of only $797 each. That's a huge 88% discount of the full retail value of everything you get. So, go ahead and just click the Add to Cart button on this page for access to the Forex ProfitCaster. You'll get that